Hi everybody! Today I will be answering some questions from you all on how to make healthier choices when you eat and drink. Everybody eats and everybody drinks, so let's get into your questions. First question was asking, what is a balanced meal? A balanced meal is when you take a little bit of each food group and put it on your plate. The food groups are fruits, vegetables, protein, grains, and dairy products. Here is one example of a well-balanced meal. You can see here that it's a little bit of vegetables, the green, and a little bit of pasta, which is your grains, and some salmon, which is your protein, and some fruit, which are oranges and apples. And then you have a cup of milk, which is your dairy. Second question, someone asked, what else can you drink instead of water if you don't like the taste of water? Some people like to put lemon juice or fruit in their water. You can take 1 cup of water and put some berries at the bottom or some lemon juice, orange juice, lime juice. Gives the water a little bit of flavor. Third question, what are some easy on-the-go snacks that you can take to your after-school activities? Whether you're in a sport or a club, everybody needs some fuel. Some easy on-the-go snacks that you could bring to school include apples and peanut butter, celery, carrots, and ranch, crackers and cheese, trail mix, or granola bars. All of these options are great. Fourth question, are all processed foods bad for you? The simple answer is no, not all processed foods are bad for you. Let's look at peanut butter. When peanuts are mashed up and smashed into a paste, that's what's called peanut butter. It's technically processed. However, as we know, peanut butter is very healthy for you. It's a great source of protein. Fifth question, is it true that carbs make you overweight? No. Carbs do not make you overweight. Carbohydrates are actually the #1 energy source in your body, which means when you eat fruits or vegetables or whole grains, dairy products, anything like milk or cheese, that all has carbohydrates in it, and that gives your body energy. Thank you to everyone who sent in a question. These were all so much fun to answer, and I hope I gave you some clarification on how to make your eating habits and drinking habits a little bit healthier for school and at home. Or if you have any more questions, feel free to go to your school counselor or your school nurse or any of your teachers and you ask them about this program. And these questions I answered for you today, and they should be able to point you in the right direction. Thanks everyone.